Okay, so how to solder. So first of all, I've got a Heiko soldering gun, which is one of the best out there. I would highly recommend that. So the key to soldering, as you can see, I'm doing about one connection per second, maybe a little bit slower than that. But the key to soldering is keeping your tip not too wet. But the key is really on how fast you feed the solder into the connection. If you can accurately control how much solder you're putting into the connection, that will really speed things up and actually give you a very solid connection, nice and shiny, with the proper amount of solder on it. As you can see, we're approaching 30 connections here.